So the subject is auditing. The subject is auditing. Auditing means verification of books of accounts. After completion of accounting cycle, the next system is auditing. Next system is auditing. So auditing, before auditing, we discuss few points related to what is the meaning of accounting. Okay, when auditing was started, so what are the reasons for auditing? We will discuss briefly. So our accounting system was enacted from the 14th century. 14th century. In the year of 1494, accounting was invented. The father of accounting was Luca Pacioli. Luca Pacioli. He was invented the accounting. Okay, accounting along with auditing. So in a ancient period, we don't have any exchange, medium of exchange. Medium of exchange means we don't have any currency. Okay, we just exchange the goods and services without medium of exchange. Okay, so in that period there was no accounting system. Okay, later the implementation of accounting system, uh, even auditing system is also going to be started. And at present, accounting, auditing, these two are they are not separated. Okay, without accounting, auditing is not available. Without auditing, account is also not valid. Okay, so that's why after implementation of accounting system. So in that period, we don't have any this kind of industries, trade, commerce. Okay. So after implementation of industrialization, implementation of industrialization, or else after industrialization, okay, after heavy industrialization, so then in the place of manpower, we used machines. Machines. Okay. Machines are produced more than the manpower. More than the manpower. That's why after implementation of industrialization, in the place of accounts are going to be verified. Accounts are going to be verified. Account verification with the help of a chartered accountant. Now we call it them chartered accountant or an auditor. Okay. So industrialization. Industrialization mainly like industrialization along with business services or else services of business. Okay. Without services of business, we can't imagine the business world. We can't imagine the business world. Okay. After industrialization, main thing is services, business services. Okay. Like business services, transportation, banking, insurance, advertising. Okay. These are the main pillars of business services. So, what is the meaning of transportation? Transportation means where the place of production to and where the place of consumption. Okay, place of production to place of consumption. That is known as transportation. For example, iPhone is originated at United States of America, but iPhone we are using India, that too in Hyderabad. How it is possible means with the transportation from the place of production to place of consumption. That is known as transportation. That is the first element of business. So after transportation, banking. So nowadays, throughout uh, economy, okay, throughout financial services, with the help of banking system, with the help of banking system. Okay, banking is the bank is the middle person of customers. Okay, bank is the middle person of seller and buyer. Bank is the middle person of shareholder and company. Bank is the middle person of debenture holder and company. Banking is everywhere. Without banking, we can't imagine the banking world. Okay, so that's why that is the second function of business services. Okay, bank is the middle person between the company and customers. Okay, for example, iPhone, iPhone seller, iPhone seller at United States of America, whereas customer at Hyderabad. So, is it possible to directly from the customer to seller? That one possibility. Okay, so that's the reason why the transaction between the seller and buyer with the help of banking system. Not only purchase and sales, everywhere. If you want to start any kind of business, okay, bank is providing some kind of loans to the customers. Okay, whether it is sole trade business, partnership business, company business, whatever the business, every business depends some finance from the bank. Finance from the bank. That's why without bank, we can't imagine the business world right now. Okay. First one is the transportation. Second one is the bank. After banking, insurance. So insurance. Insurance, we have two types of insurance. Business insurances, whereas personal insurance. I mean general insurance and personal insurance. Okay. General insurance and personal insurance. So yes, without insurance of a business, that loss is totally facing by the owner itself. Business, I mean, owner or else, company management itself. If the business is not like providing or else not getting any loan from the insurance company. Okay. For example, I already told you, iPhones we are importing from the United States of America. The transportation through either air transportation or a water transportation. At the time of transportation, if the cell phones are destroyed by the fire, okay, cell phones are destroyed by the fire or theft, whatever it is, there is a loss. So that loss is belongs to whom? Who is the responsible for that loss? If the cell phones, if the mobile phones are not comes under insurance, the total amount which is by the owner of the mobile phone. So for that reason, every business having some insurance. Insurance. Next one, godowns. Okay, godowns. Godowns are warehouses, both are the same. Godowns is the so godowns up to utilization of the product. Where it is stored means godowns only. Okay, so that's why godowns also very important. That is also one of the business services. Okay, without godowns. For example, now the season is summer season. So summer season generally we use only cotton glass. Okay. Then what about woolen glass? What about sweaters? Okay. Is the production is going to be stopped or else the production is going? It is going. The production is going. Then where it is stored? The storage is at godown side. The storage at godown side. So that's why godowns is the godowns purpose is up to utilization of product. Okay, not only clothes, even food related things. Okay, everything we stored at godowns only. Okay, so that is the fourth one. Next one, advertising. Advertising. Okay, nowadays total business world is depends on advertising only. Okay, sales promotion. Advertising in the sense sales promotion. Then, if you are providing more advertising, if you are giving more advertising to your product, the product is going to be high sales. So, every company sales is depends on advertising only. Advertising to aware the customer, to aware the customer about your product. So, these are the business services. Business services. Okay. So that's why after industrialization, the business world is going to be increased. Okay. So for that reason, auditing is must. Okay. Industrialization with the help of business services. Without business services, we can't imagine the business. We can't imagine the world business sector. Okay. That's why after industrialization, after the system, the barter system is converting as a like with the help of medium of exchange. Okay, medium of exchange means if you have purchased something, then you have to pay something. You have to pay something means you have to pay some currency, rupee. For example, you want to purchase a bike. So how it is possible? Then you may given the amount and you get the bike. If you purchase anything, the medium of exchange is the money only. Okay. So after the system was barter system was converting as a with the help of medium of exchange, the business system was started. In the business system, it is converting as a industrialization. Okay. In the initial period, we didn't have any use of machines. Okay, only manpower. We depend on manpower only. So after industrialization, the manpower is converting as a machine power. Okay. With the help of machines, we produced n number of goods. Okay. So that's why in the place of machines means like the organization sector is also big. Okay. So the business is separated from the office premises, factory premises, etc., etc. It is diverted. So in that reason, then we have to audit the books of accounts. Audit the books of accounts. Okay. Auditing was started from the 14th century only. But auditing, it was famous from the 18th century. Okay, 18th century. Because of heavy industrialization from the 18th century. Not only India, everywhere throughout world, industrialization was started from the 18th century. So that's why auditing was famous from the 18th century. Okay. So auditing. Then auditing in India. When it was started in India. Okay, in the year of 1913. In the year of 1913, I mean, Companies Act 1913, before independence. 1913. Okay. Bombay Government Company was started one course. Okay. That course name is Government Diploma Accountants. Bombay Government was started a diploma course. The diploma course is related to the auditing. So that course name is known as Government Diploma Accountants. Government Diploma Accountants. In the year of 1930. Later after independence, okay, after independence, we established some organizations, okay, like State Bank of India, okay, whereas some government companies, okay, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Finance Corporation of India. So these kind of organizations we established after independence. After independence, just like Chartered Accountant Acts, okay, Chartered Accountant Acts. Okay. Chartered Accountant Acts. I'll show you. Act 1949. Chartered Accountant Acts 1949. Okay. So now the total chartered accountancy. Okay, chartered accountancy is a professional course, right? Chartered accountancy is a professional course. Chartered accountancy, company secretary. Okay, whereas cost and management accountancy, these are the professional course. Okay, remember every company they have a different types of businesses, right? Okay, like sole trade business. Am I audible to you guys? Do you know sole trade business, partnership business? Okay, so sole trade business, partnership business, company type of business. Okay, so every company, every company, every company, uh, appointment of external auditor. External auditor means the auditor, the person is outside. Okay, that is a must. Every company appoint the external auditor. That is must. Okay. So audit. What is the purpose of auditing? Means of verification of books of accounts. Okay. Verification of books of accounts. So auditing. Auditing means verification of books of accounts. Okay. Books of accounts. So auditing when it is started. Okay. After completion of accountancy, auditing is going to be started. Okay. Where accountancy is completed, auditing is started. Auditing is started. Okay. Where accounting is completed, auditing is started. So it is a verification of books of accounts. Okay. In a like simply auditing means to hear. To hear. Okay. Auditing means we have different types of definitions. Okay. Auditing means verification of books of accounts. Okay. That verification is started after finishing the accounting system. After finishing the accounting system. Okay. So simply even auditing means to hear only. To hear. To hear means వినడం. To hear. Okay. So in India, auditing, I mean, chartered accountancy, chartered accountant, every company to appoint a external auditor is must as per the Companies Act 2013. Okay. Companies Act was amended. Companies Act earlier it was 1913. Okay. Later the Act is 1956. At present, amended Act is 2013 Companies Act. As per the Companies Act, appointment of a external auditor of every company, it is must. Okay. Without what is the purpose of auditing means verification of books of accounts. Okay. For example, company company prepared by accounts. Okay. Company every company. I mean every business is preparing by accounts. What is the use of accounts? Can anybody? What is the use of accounts? What is the use of accounts? Hello. Am I audible to you? Guys, what is the use of accounts?
Sir, use of accounts is to see the profit and loss of the business.
Okay. Then Only profit and loss account. I mean, the purpose of accounts is to know the about of business. Okay, to know the what is the profit or loss on a particular period. To know the what is the correct financial position on a particular day. In that reason only we prepare. Every business is prepared trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay, trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So that's why every business, irrespective of nature, type, every business must and should prepare accounting. Accounts means financial statements. Okay, financial statements. We have a definition of accounting. Okay, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating to accounting users. Who are the accounting users? Generally, uh, accounting users, accounting information users are the business, I mean, owners of the business, employees of the business, creditors of the business, okay, whereas government. So these parties are known as accounting users, accounting users. So for that reason, accounting system is so for that reason only accounting system. Okay, right. So the accounts after completion of accounting, I mean after preparation of trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet. So these things are verified by the auditor. Auditor. Okay. So that auditor, in case of sole trade business, partnership business. So these are the small scale and medium scale businesses. Okay. Sole trade business is the like that is the small scale business. Okay. If you have a sufficient amount to start the tiffin center, then you may start. Okay. If you have a sufficient amount to start the kirana shop, you may start. Okay. So that's the reason why. So small scale businesses means less capital investment. Okay. Less capital investment. Less capital investment business is sole trade business. So sole trade business verification of books of accounts is not mandatory, is not compulsory. Okay, because of sole trade business means single person business. Single person start the business, run the business, enjoy the profits, pay the losses. In the same way, partnership business. Okay, partnership business is also same kind of nature. If you have a sufficient amount to start the business, you may start. Okay, partnership act. We have a partnership act. Partnership act is 1932. Okay. Registration of partnership is not mandatory. In that reason, verification of books of accounts also not mandatory. I mean, say for example, you are a partner in so-and-so business. Okay. That intimation to you only. Okay. That intimation as a partner, you know the information. Okay. Not to the outsider. Okay. Outsider outsider is not allowed to take the any information from the partnership business in a partnership business and sole trade business. Okay. But company having shareholders, right? Okay. Company having shareholders. In case of a public company, do you know company? What is the meaning of company? What is the minimum and maximum members to start the company? Any idea? Hello? What is the minimum and maximum members to start the company? Listen, in case of private company, minimum two members. In case of public company, minimum seven members. Maximum members of a public company is unlimited members. Unlimited members means unlimited members are investing the public company. Okay. So in that reason, the investment is going to be what kind of investment? Okay. Is that investment is going to be a genuine? Okay. Is that investment is going to be the manner of corrective manner or not? Okay. All these things are verified by the external auditor. External auditor. Okay. External auditor means chartered accountant only. Okay. Chartered accountant only. Chartered accountancy is a professional course. Okay. ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountancy of India. It is located at Madras, Chennai. Okay. Then that professionals is eligible to check out the books of accounts in a company. Okay. It means simply verification of accounts. So that verification in case of companies is must. Okay. Sole trade business, partnership business, that is not mandatory to appoint. That is not mandatory to verify the books of accounts by a chartered accountant. Okay. Because of investment is less. In case of a partnership or a sole trade business, investment is less. Okay. Less investment. So the business is also small and medium scale businesses. Okay. And the investment is not provided by the shareholders. But in case of company, investment, investment in the form of shares or in the form of debentures. Okay. So it is the introduction of auditing. Okay. Auditing, it was enacted from the 14th century. Along with accounting system, auditing system was started. Okay. But auditing was famous from the 18th century. In India, auditing, it was started from 1913 as per the Companies Act 1913. Okay. First first course in India, Chartered Accountancy immediate course. That is Government Diploma Accountancy that was started from the Bombay government. Later, after independence, okay, the Parliament was enacted. The Parliament was enacted one act that is known as Chartered Accountancy Act. Chartered Accountancy Act was enacted from 1949 July 1st. Okay. After that, there was an Institute of Chartered Accountancy of India. Okay. If you are appointed as a so-and-so company auditor, then you have to must finish Chartered Accountancy course. Chartered Accountancy course. Okay. Auditing means verification of books of accounts. Else to here. Okay. Where accounting system is completed, auditing system is going to be started. So auditing, it is must only companies, not to the partnership and not to the like sole trade businesses, because of less capital investment. Because of less capital investment in case of sole trade business and partnership business. Okay. Company having shareholders, debenture holders, company having loans from the financial institutions, company having loans from the banks. Okay. All these investment is it going to be correct manner or is in the manner of wrong? So the total things are verified by the external auditor, external chartered accountant. Okay, not an internal chartered accountant. Okay, company having internal chartered accountant also, but that internal chartered accountant, he may or may not to complete the chartered accountancy course, but he may appoint the chartered accountant in the company. So external auditor verify the books of accounts. Okay, external auditor will appoint on behalf of the shareholders. Okay, on behalf, because of shareholders are the real owners of the company. Shareholders are the real owners of the company. So that's the reason why external auditor will verify the books of accounts. Okay, so it is the introduction of auditing. It is the introduction of auditing. Auditing is must in case of companies. Okay, auditing is optional in case of sole trade business and partnership business. Okay, for example, minimum maximum members in case of a partnership. Minimum 2 members, maximum not more than 100. Partnership. Okay, partnership. How many members to start the partnership business means 2 members are eligible to start the partnership business. Maximum more 100, not more than 100. Okay. Say for example, 100 members gathered started a business partnership business. They want to certify the accounts from the chartered accountant. In that reason, may appoint chartered accountant. but it is not mandatory in case of partnership and sole business. Only companies appointment of a external chartered accountant or auditor is must. Okay, is it clear? అర్థమైందమ్మా నేను చెప్పింది ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఆడిటింగ్. హలో, అర్థమవుతే టెక్స్ట్ అన్న పెట్టేసేయండి. ఐ మీన్ చార్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది మనకి దీంట్లో. జస్ట్ మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే జస్ట్ రైజ్ ద డౌట్ ఆల్సో. Is it clear? Introduction of auditing. Suresh is here, Swati is here, Renuka is here. Guys, do you have textbooks, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in a textbook having first topic was the like introduction of auditing. Okay. After introduction, we have an objectives of audit. Objectives of audit. Okay. Objectives. So objectives are the, I mean, so before objectives, I mean, do you know bookkeeping? Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the part of accounting, right? Okay. Recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating to the accounting users. That is known as bookkeeping. Bookkeeping. Okay. So after bookkeeping, or else after completing of like accounting system, the auditing system was started. Auditing system was started. Okay. In your textbook having, there is a question of what is the differences between bookkeeping and auditing. Guys, do you have textbooks right now? Textbooks ఉన్నాయా మీ దగ్గర ఇప్పుడు? టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉంటే టాపిక్ నేమ్ చెప్తాను ఒకసారి, then we have to highlight that question. That is the examination question. Okay, what is the differences between accountancy and auditing? Accountancy and auditing. That question is an introduction part only. Accountancy, auditing. I'll type here. Accountancy and auditing. Okay. So I'll type the question, then how to make it screenshot. Differences between accountancy and auditing. This is the final examination question, important question. What are the differences between accountancy and auditing? Okay, accountancy is the initial stage. I mean, accountancy in the form of bookkeeping. Okay, bookkeeping. Uh, bookkeeping. Recording. Okay. Classifying. So, what is the meaning of recording? Preparation of journal entries. JEs. Okay. JEs. Recording is the first stage, and it is the JEs, journal entries. Next one. Second one, classification. Classification. Classification means preparation of accounts. Account is a T-shaped. Okay. Preparation of accounts. Preparation of accounts. Next one, summarizing. Recording, classifying, summarizing. Summarizing. Okay. Summarizing means preparation of trading, profit and loss account, and balance. Balance. Next one. Fourth one. Okay. Fourth one. Recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing. Analyzing. Okay. I mean simply preparation of ratio analysis. Next one, communicating. Okay. Communicating. Communicating. Communicating to whom? Communicating to accounting users. Accounting users. Accounting users. Okay. Accounting users are owners, employees, okay, creditors, government. Okay. So then how to use the owners? Means to know the profit or loss. And how to use the employees of accounting information to get any increment, to get any bonus from the organization. That is depends on uh, I mean financial statements only. Okay. Next, creditors. Creditors means debt providers to the business. Debt providers, amount, I mean loan provider, debt or loan. Okay. Any kind of financial help to the business. Okay. That is depends on financial statements only. Okay. Next one, government. What is the use of government? I mean, what is the use of government by the these bookkeeping? Okay. Means the payment of taxes depends on financial statements only. Financial statements means trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay. So it is the bookkeeping. It is the bookkeeping. So it means it is the initial stage of accounting. Okay. Without bookkeeping, auditing won't possible at all. I already told you where accounting system is completed, auditing is started. Verification of books of accounts started. Okay. So that's the reason why without bookkeeping, without accounting, no auditing. Remember. Okay.
Sir,
No.
బుక్ కీపింగ్ ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఇంటర్నల్ ఆడిటింగ్ అనేది బుక్ కీపింగ్ అవ్వచ్చు కదా సార్, ఎక్స్టర్నల్
Yes.
ఆడిటింగ్ అనేది మళ్ళీ.
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
ఓకే సార్.
Companies may appoint internal auditor. Remember, internal auditor may or may not be a chartered accountant. Remember. Okay. He may not be a complete chartered accountant professional course. Okay. So we have a company having an option. Company having an option to appoint as an internal auditor also, but internal auditor not must to qualify or not must to certification from the ICA. Okay, that is depends on the organization. If organization having strict rules and regulations and guidelines, in that reason there is a possibility to appoint uh, certified person. Okay, so it is the bookkeeping. So where accounting system is completed, auditing system is started. Accounting is the first one, auditing is the second one. Okay. So these are the few differences in your textbook having. So after that, next topic is objectives of audit. Objectives of audit. Okay. Next topic is objectives of audit. Okay. Objectives of audit. So these objectives are two types of objectives. No? Main objectives, and it is also final examination question. Make it a star mark or else any important mark. Main objectives. Next one, secondary or supplementary objectives. Objectives. Okay. Main objective is to to produce the data. I mean to produce the auditing report to the company. Main objective is to produce the auditing report. Auditing report means after verification of books of accounts, the auditor will submit a report to the company. Okay, that is known as auditing report. Remember, auditor, external auditor appointment is on behalf of the company shareholders or else on behalf of the company creditors. Do you know shareholders and debenture holders? Anybody? Hello. Anybody idea about shareholders and debenture holders? We have a type option also, chart option also. Can anybody respond? So shareholders. Shareholders means the persons who are invested into the shares of the company. Okay. Debenture holder means the persons who are providing loans to the company, debt to the company. Okay. So for that reason only external auditor appointment is must in case of companies. Companies. Okay. Main objectives of auditing, main objective is to produce the auditing report to the company. Okay. In generally, auditors appointment. How to appoint the auditors? External auditors. External auditors External auditors appointed at the time of company annual general meetings. Annual general meetings. Okay. Every company conduct a meeting. What is the meeting? AGM. Annual general meetings. Okay. Annual general meeting. It is conducted by every type of company. We have different types of companies. Private company, public company, government company, statutory company, holding company, subsidiary company, Indian company, foreign company, whatever the company, every company is must to conduct AGM, annual general meeting. Okay. So in annual general meeting only, am I audible to you? Is there any problem? My voice. Hello. Hello. Am I audible though right now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, fine. So, hmm, company shareholders and debenture holders. Okay. Shareholders are they are investing in the shares. Share means the total capital of the company is divided into number of units. Okay. Each unit is called share. Okay. So shareholders and debenture holders. Public company maximum members are unlimited members. Unlimited members means unlimited investment, unlimited amount available. Okay. So what is the security of unlimited amount? What is the security of unlimited capital? So where is the capital investment? Where capital investment is going to be? So all these things are verified by the external auditor of the company. That external auditor will appoint at the time of AGM. Every type of company to conduct a AGM, annual general meeting. Okay, yearly twice to conduct a AGM, or else in between two AGMs, not less than 15 months. Not less than 15 months. Okay. At the time of AGM only, auditor will appoint. Okay, external auditor. In the time of second AGM, auditor will submit the auditing report. Auditing report to the shareholders, auditing report into the company. Okay, so that's why external auditor appointment is must in case of private companies. I mean, in case of companies. We have any objectives, main objectives, and secondary objectives. What is main objective? Verification of books of accounts, and after completion of auditing report, he submitted to the meeting, AGM only. The order is submitted to the AGM only. That is the main objective. Okay. The auditing in a manner of true and fair view. Okay. Auditing. Then how to conduct auditing means okay. True and fair. Okay. So it is the main function of auditing. Okay. Auditing is a manner of true and fair view, and the auditor submitting his auditing report at the time of AGM. Submit the report. Okay. How to complete of auditing is true and fair. Next, secondary function. We have a main objectives and secondary objectives. In your textbook, having this question mark. What is the? I mean, what are the objectives of audit? Okay. Uh, After true and fair view, next one is secondary objectives. Secondary objectives is like uh, detection and prevention of fraud and errors. Okay. Secondary objective or subsidiary objective. True and fair. true and fair view. Next, subsidiary objectives. Subsidiary. Subsidiary objectives. Detection and prevention. Detection and prevention of fraud and errors. Errors. Okay. These are the objectives. Objectives of audit. Okay. Objectives of audit. Okay. Objectives of auditing is main objectives and secondary objectives, subsidiary objectives. Main objective is submission of auditing report, that is in the true and fair view manner. Second one is secondary objectives are other subsidiary objectives are detection and prevention of fraud and errors. Okay, detection and prevention of fraud and errors. Based on these two things only, objectives. Okay, so main objectives. And the main objectives, first of all, to get the information about accounts, to get the information about accounts from the company. Okay, I already told you where accounting system is completed, auditing is started. Okay, so that's the reason why first to get the accounts from the company or else organization. After getting the accounts, he verify the accounts. He verify the accounts. He verify the vouchers. Okay, he verify the even some physical manner also. For example, like company created one voucher. What is the voucher? Company purchased a building. The building cost is 10 crores. Company created a voucher. Voucher on what? Yes, company purchased a building. The building cost is 5 crores or 10 crores. So, is it voucher is enough for physical verification? Auditor. So, compulsory auditor to certify the physical verification. Okay. After, entering into the building, where is the asset? Okay. Where is the asset? Is that asset value is 5 crores or not? Okay. The physical verification. Physical verification is also must. Okay. So that is the part of audit. Physical verification of assets. For example, company created one voucher. What is the voucher? We purchased a machinery. Machinery cost is 5 crores or 10 crores. Then auditor should verify where is the machinery, where is the factory premises, where is the office premises. He certify everything. Certify, observe everything. Okay. So that's the reason why it is the main objective, remember. Okay. We get the information from the company. After getting information about accounts, then he verifies the physical verification. Physical verification. Okay. Physical verification of every type of fixed asset. We have different types of fixed asset. Land, building, furniture, okay, etc. etc. We have different types of assets. You may verify that assets also. That is the main object. Okay. Next one, subsidiary. Detection and prevention of fraud and errors. Okay.